Okay, Miss Hazel, we got you making this chicken dressing. You've been trying to do this chicken dressing ever since November, so now you got a chance to do it.
You want this to go in there?
Yes, she wrote there. She putting the broth in her cornbread already made up.
Give me that one.
And she pouring her broth in the broth with the cornbread that I already crumbled up for. Her sister made the cornbread. And now, Miss Hazel, you fixing that dressing. Okay. Okay, it's ready to go in there. She's pouring the broth in there. This is homemade chicken broth, ain't it, Miss Dorita?
And then I got to wash my hands first.
Okay, go in there and wash your hands.
Okay, and we'll be back with Miss Hazel over her sister's house making her dressing, and there she got the...
You need an apron on too.
Yeah, I do.
Get me on that.
I ain't got you on there. Okay. And then she got her, this is her celery and her onions, right? Okay, that's what's on the stove, and butter. Miss Hazel, you putting your rolls in the dressing. You gonna tear them apart, and you got your celery and your onions cooking, and you like put hamburger buns.
These are some big rolls.
Yes, they some big old hamburger buns.
Well, when you send somebody to shop for you and he don't know what you're doing, so...
Get the biggest one.
Miss Hazel. I won't get him to go no more.
Miss Dorita's son got those for you. Those gonna make a... I don't think you'll need all of them, Iggy.
I don't think so.
Okay, we can say those are for a hamburger. We can do some hamburgers with those other four. The four left over. Okay, now you gonna how you gonna soften that up with some broth? Okay. Now we already used your hen broth and
I was saying tear them apart.
Huh?
I was saying tear these apart. You don't need to do that. You just gonna pour the broth over.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, you need a spoon, a spatula. So go pour that broth on there.
Great value.
Great value broth. You need a spoon to put them in there. She's doing a good job fixing that. Okay. Okay, now Miss Hazel, you got it all blended up. And that looks really good. So what you gonna do, put the eggs in there next?
I got to put the sage in here.
Some sage. Okay.
I'm gonna let you look up there and find some sage.
Okay.
And that, yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna put the eggs and some sage in there. You beat them up like that. Now this is an old-fashioned. Your mama taught you how this is dressing, huh?
Mama ain't taught me nothing.
Okay, you taught yourself. Okay. Okay. Well, let me get...
I need a spoon now.
Okay, let me get you a spoon.
It's one over there, somewhere.
You want a bigger one than that?
You want a big spoon? Like what she doing there?
I need a tablespoon full of
sage. Okay, we're going to get that for you next. And now your big spoon. You put those eggs in there.
It's just too cold.
Okay, you got them eggs in there. Okay, blend them together.
Yeah, I want
I made a big spoon to stir that. That ain't big enough.
Your celery and your onions all blended in. You got your sage, you got your black pepper, and you got your portrait season. So I'm stirring it up for you, because you done gave out. And you got your eggs. You got 8 eggs in this. That's a little butter right there now.
Well, I'm going to turn that oven on.
And we're going to put it in the oven and let it bake. So that's all you have to do with that is some fresh chicken hen broth. You got some cornbread. You got some hamburger buns in there. And you got your eggs. And you got your onions and celery. And you got your season. You got the portrait season. black pepper. You got some salt. And you add some more butter to your celery and your onions. That smells good and it looks terrific.
I don't smell nothing.
You don't smell nothing, Miss Hazel. Now you smell it. What else you want to put in there?
Nothing.
Why you don't smell anything?
I want to smell the sage.
You want some more sage in it?
No.
Okay, but it smells delicious over here, Miss Hazel. So everything looks good, and I think you're going to be happy with this dressing. That's old-fashioned homemade dressing.
Now this